Hello friends, welcome to my channel Money Gyani. I am Rakesh Runthala. Today friends, for mostly I will have a discussion on the long period for all equity returns. Whenever I say 6 months or 1 year or 2 year or 3 years for any investment period for any stock, what I mean to say is to realize the full potential of a stock, we need to take time. There is always a entry period and exit period for any kind of stock. Whenever we enter into any stock, we have to enter into very good price for a very good return. And exit means whenever we realize our target prices or below target prices, we need to go for that. So why long periods? Long periods can be for any company, say for any old company or any new listed stock also. As you know, times are never same for any company or anything in this world. Every time any company goes through highs and lows. So we have to see the potential of a stock when the prices are hovering at its good prices. We need not have to go into any stock which has got a very high PE ratio in a very good bull market. So friends, whenever we invest in the stock market, the risks are very high. So we need to go for good returns of more than 50%. So now we come to the section of stock picks. Today I am going to pick two stocks from the Tata Group. So my first stock is Indian Hotels Company. You very well know this company, and this company price hovering around 154 rupees, 154. So my recommendation price is this only, 154 rupees. So it's a Tata Group company and it's a leader in premium hospitality segment. And they have got their range of Taj Group of hotels and Safari and Exotica. And in the budget hotels also, they have the brands like Gateway and Ginger. They also specializes in the super luxury segment also. So friends, the face value is 1 and the EPS is negative. Why it is negative? Just because of the corona circumstances. The hospitality segment has suffered a lot in all these 2 years. The book value is at a good price of 36. So when it comes to return, the last year price was around 62 during the corona times, and it has given 1 year return of more than 50%. The equity is prevailing at 118 crores, 118 crores, with a reserves and surplus of around 3,500 crores. So the sales and revenue were very steady around 4,000 crore till 2020. But since 2020 March, in the last 1 year, they have suffered a lot as the revenues have fallen to 1,600 crores only. So why I'm picking up this sector is, presently in the corona times, what is happening in the companies like pharma and chemicals, they are performing very well in the share market. But when we say that the hospitality sector, it is going to outperform post-corona, say this year or maybe the next year onwards. Again, what I say is, whenever is the entry point for a good stock, it is this time for Indian Hotels. The promoter is holding is around 40%, more than 40%, and FIIs, foreign investors, are holding around 13%, and domestic institutions again around 18%. It's a professional team under Mr. N. Chandrasekharan, who is prevailing upon all the Tata companies as the chairman, and Mr. Puneet Chhatwal, a very renowned person in hospitality industry. He is the CEO and MD. So my target price for this stock, with an investment period of 2 to 3 years, my target price is 220 rupees to 250 rupees. So go for this Indian Hotel stock in your portfolio for having some very good returns in the coming years. Friends, my next stock pick is another Tata Group company, Tata Power. Tata Power, you all very well know, it's prevailing at a price of 140 rupees. So my recommendation price is at the same price of 140 rupees. This company is India's largest private power utility company with a generation of 2,785 megawatts. They have their presence in thermal, hydro, solar and wind power. They are into generation, transmission and distribution of power. As thermal generation is creating a lot of pollution in all these years, all the power companies and the government, they are moving towards renewable energy sources, say wind and solar. So this company, Tata Power, again it's a leader in solar and wind powers because of the good government policy and backing. Despite the best industrial practices in the thermal, they could not perform the way the power sector should do. And hydro power having its own ecological issues, the stress is on solar and wind power. Another sector Tata Power is excelling in, EV market, the electric market. What you have been hearing in all the business circles, in all the news, that electric is the future for all the automobile sector. When it comes to electrical EV charging, Tata Power is again a pioneer. They have tied up with HPCL for all the pump outlets for providing this EV power generation, charging points. And again they have tied up with all the good infrastructure developers, both residential and industrial, so that they can put up the EV charging stations at the points in all the residential complexes and the industrial spaces. So a lot of business and opportunities are there in the EV segment, and Tata Power is ready, very much ready to excel in all these segments. Again, under the able leadership of Mr. Praveer Sinha and chairmanship of N. Chandrasekaran, Tata Power is bound to have a very good time in the future. Let us get into the technicals now. The face value is 1 rupee and the EPS is around 4. The sector P is 20 and the company P is 34, which is still very well less as compared to all the peers in the power segment. The book value is around 74 and the equity is around 319 crore for such a big company. The reserve and surplus is around more than 20,000 crores. Sales and revenues around 32,000 crores, and they have got a net profit realization of 3 to 5% of the sales and revenue. Promoters are holding 47% and FI is around 11% and domestic institutions again around 17%. The returns for the 1 year, I am to say, is 142%. It has more than doubled. The investor wealth has more than doubled. This stock has been recommended by myself since last 2 years when it was hovering around 50 rupees only. So the appreciation has been good since then, but still it is holding a very good future in the coming times. It's a very steady dividend paying company, but the company in the last 4-5 years back, they suffered due to the Mundra project in Gujarat. That was a very big delay on their project execution. So go for this stock, another Tata Group company, Tata Power. They are leaders in this segment and have this kind of stock in your portfolio for very good returns. So my target price is for the Tata Power is around 200 rupees from here. and investment period again should be 2 to 3 years. So friends, it's time to wind up the video now. So go through these stocks and invest into it. Kindly share my video and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy friends, stay safe. Goodbye friends.